The Bow Products FeatherDUO is one of the most adaptable featherboard systems you can get for your router table. You can also use it on the bandsaw or your table saw. What we have now is a stacking pair of featherboards, still using EVA foam, which is fantastic for non-marring. It won't damage your cutters, and also it won't bruise your timber. Because these are a double stacking pair, we have an ultra light feather in here rather than the standard dark or black feather, which puts on more pressure. In its high stacked position, we've got really quite a good reach here. I think it's 90 odd millimeters of height that we can work with. What we can also do is, undoing the two locking nuts, either we can get them so they line up exactly above each other, or we can offset the top away from the fence or further into the fence. This can be really useful even if you have a piece of timber which has got an angle on it, you're trying to get pressure top and bottom. It could be a coved shape, or it could be a piece with a rebate in it. It could be the rebate at the bottom or the top. The offset will work either direction. For setting the duo up, place your timber in position, push your feathers in, a little bit of pressure, and lock those down. What we now have is a good pressure, high and low, for our timber. As we push them through your timber, you will see the feathers move forward. If there would be any kickback and the timber tried to come back, the feathers lock in position, and I just cannot drag that timber through once it's come to its fully locked hinge position. The pressure is really pretty amazing for the hold. The FeatherDUO is very adaptable. If we didn't want to use it in this high-rise position, we can just take the knobs off, take off the top, remove the spacer bars, and you can restack these on top of each other. Rather than using the great big long bolts, what you also have in the pack that comes is another aluminium fixing bar that go in the mitre slot with another pair of knobs and shorter bolts. So we could put that in here, and now we've got the right height for fixing these pair of FeatherPROs down. We also have now more ability for moving in and out for that rebate scenario. The second bar can be used for a second setup, but for this I'll take out the long bolts and swap it for the shorter ones which are supplied. Just pop him in. That can go back into your standard mitre bar. Screw them down, and now we have two featherboards. What we can also do is remove the ultralight and put in the standard feather, which gives us more pressure. Also, they are reversible, so you could use it if you were back feeding or climb cutting. It describes that actually on the plastic base here, but be very careful with your back or climb cutting. Generally speaking, we always want to be going in this direction when we're feeding on a router table. For my general setup, I would have my Featherboard Pro centered on my cutter. If I was doing longer work, I'd also want my Fence Pro featherboards on there to give us more down support. And I may bring my feather over, bring my separate one in, and now we've got a lot of coverage. One advantage of the Featherboard Duo is that you do have two sets of all of the mitre bars, knobs and bolts for setting up the two separate featherboards. Also, if you wanted to put more pressure onto your timber or use them individually, then you can swap out the ultralight and put in the standard black feathers. These put more pressure on than the light grey versions. That's about it for the Duo, but essentially what you have here is a lot of kit going on. It's effectively two of the Featherboard Pros. If you want to have more information on those, check it out in the description below. Also check out for the link talking about the Fence Pro as well. If you'd like more information on the Duo, check us out on our website and also follow us on our social media channels.